everybody, welcome back. This is Sheikh Amir and I'm back with another informative video on Floweron keeping. This video is not just about Floweron but for all fishes out there. So let's get started. Our today's topic is about new tank syndrome. New tank syndrome is a term used to describe problems that occurs due to buildup of invisible toxic compounds in aquarium. The cause of this syndrome is lack of suitable bacteria to break down the waste that fishes are producing. An enclosed aquarium rely on bacteria to break down the waste. So tank and filter being new don't contain any of the beneficial bacteria to start breaking down of waste. The breakdown of waste and conversion of toxic ammonia and nitrogen is called nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a biochemical cycle which nitrogen is converted into multiple chemical forms as it circulates among atmosphere, terrestrial and marine ecosystem. The conversion of nitrogen can be carried out through both biological and physical process. Adding fishes before nitrogen cycle is in place to deal with the waste that fishes will build. We should remember this can cause a buildup of toxic ammonia and nitrogen. Fish cannot deal with high level of ammonia or nitrogen and become ill or even die, leaving new fish keepers scratching their heads. Tell this to an experienced fish keeper and see how quickly he or she will probably diagnose new tank syndrome. As you can see, several poisoning can cause accumulation of blood in fins, redness in gills area which we call gill burn due to ammonia spike, and lack of movement in fish. As a fish keeper, you must have a water testing kit handy. Any level of ammonia and nitrogen above 0.0 ppm can be considered dangerous, and if present, it must be assumed that there is not enough bacteria compared with the fish, filter and tank size. High levels of ammonia and nitrogen above 1.0 ppm could kill fish and make hardy fish ill easily. If your testing results are equal to 1.00 ppm or more, take immediate action. Prepare for a water change. Always make sure you have enough water conditioner. And if you use water of same hardness, temperature and it's dechlorinated, there is no reason to worry. You can change up to 90% of water in an emergency. While you change water, you must also remember to take care of fish stress, which can be caused due to the sudden change of water parameters and temperature. Use water conditioners like Stressil or API Stress Coat to deal with the fish stress. Preventing new tank syndrome. First thing is to choose a filter with large biological capacity and has a related equal or more volume of aquarium water. Second is to make sure the filter is always plugged in and running 24/7 from the time you first installed it. Third one is to seed the filter with bacteria before you add fish and even feed it with ammonia before you put the fish in. This method of cycling the tank is called fishless cycles, which ensures no fish are stressed or harmed while maturing your tank. Point number 4. Fit a mature filter from another established aquarium or borrow some mature filter media from your fellow fish keepers. Point number 5. Do not overstock your aquarium or stock too quickly. Sixth point, do not overfeed. And last but seventh point is don't wash your filter media under the tap water. Never do that, please. Always wait for your tank to get properly cycled before you add fishes in it. Use fishless cycle method for best results. This is for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and link to our Facebook page in description below. You can message us at any time for any assistance regarding your Floweron. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.